Hello, what's up, bro? Here na kami sa airport. And then, thank you so much sa lahat ng travel, trips, and everything. Thank you for the help sa diving. That's the best one though. Best one though.
Hey, Pacquiao.
That's the most memorable one.
Thank you. Next time, dali mo ko sa
Sa moon. Sorry.
sa Temptation.
Hi! Baka mamising ka na.
Pacquiao
Anyway.
next time.
Anyway, I give you, may na-meet ako dito na
May refer ka
mga
na.
tao. So they're asking about the travel tours that we did. And then, I gave you their Facebook. So, good luck sa journey and see you next time.
Sinabi ko, 3 diamond.